We're very excited to show you our universal linear drain. It works with every waterproofing type. You don't need to know which waterproofing type that is when you order. In the kit, there's a clamping flange that can clamp down vinyl, or it could clamp down bonded waterproofing, liquid or fabric, or it could bond directly to the flange. What's exciting about this product is the price. Retail price starts at $200 for a 24-inch and all the way to $450 for a 60-inch. There's 8 sizes available: 30, 32, 36, 42, 48, 54, which is new for us, and 60-inch. It's sold with 2 styles. You can have the perforated in either polished or satin, or a tile-in. So this is the same drain body. It's available to work with vinyl, or it could work with Schluter. It's available in PVC, ABS, and then we have a hot mop version as well. Universal Infinity Drain.